everyone, welcome back to Early Intervention at Home with RIDBC. Today we'll be doing the d sound. So lift your tongue up behind your teeth, find that bump on the roof of your mouth, put your tongue tip there and say d. Remember to turn your motor on, d. I am drawing some diamonds. Diamonds begin with the sound d. I've also got a donut here that I'm going to draw. So we've got donut, which begins with the sound d. Down here, I'll also be drawing a dress. Dress begins with the sound d. Pardon my drawing. I've also got a door. A door begins with the sound d. Now, once I'm done drawing, what I have here, I think it's a dog. Do you want to help me put it together? Put your hands together for me and let's push together. Oh, the dog's head is on. Push, push. The dog's body is on. And help me push again. Put your hands together really hard. Do a big push. Now the dog's bottom is on. And here we have a dog. Thank you for helping me put it together. Now Carol has also lent me her dinosaurs here. Dinosaurs also begin with the sound d. Oh, look at this dinosaur. He's just dozing off. Shh, go to sleep, dozy dinosaur. You might see this when you play board games with your family members. This is called a die. So you can roll the die to practice using those d sounds at phrase level. Roll the die, it's your turn, so lots of opportunities for repetition there. And last but not least, I also have a book here called Oh Dear. Books are a great way to also practice your speech sounds. So let's have a quick look at this book. Oh Dear by Rod Campbell. Buster went to stay with Grandma on the farm, and Grandma asked Buster to fetch the eggs. She went to the barn and asked the cow. Moo. No eggs here. Oh dear. So the whole book just goes through that repetitive phrase. Oh dear. Oh dear. So lots of opportunities for you to practice with your child at home, to practice the d sound at phrase level. Now I think Tia has a song for us that has the d sound in it. Let's go and have a look. Join us now for Tunes with Tia.
Hi everyone, welcome back to Tunes with Tia. Would you look at the time? It's already 1 o'clock. Today we'll be singing Hickory Dickory Dock. It's a great song to practice the d sound, and it's also a really good song to practice your early learning sounds. There's lots of animal sounds in this song, and so we can practice those too. So, I wonder who's at the door. Knock, knock, knock. Squeak, 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 squeak. It's the mouse. Are you ready? Hickory dickory dock, the mouse went up the clock struck 1, the mouse went down, squeak, 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 hickory dickory dock. Oh my goodness, the time's going very fast. Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. It's 2 o'clock now. I wonder who will be knocking at the door. Knock, knock, knock. It's the parrot! Squawk, 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 squawk. Ready? Hickory dickory dock, the parrot went up the clock struck 2. The parrot he flew Hickory Dickory Dock. Oh my goodness. Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. It's 3 o'clock already. Knock, knock, knock. Who's at the door? It's the puppy. Woof, 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 woof. The dog's gonna climb up the clock too. Here we go. Hickory Dickory Dock, the dog climbed up the clock. The clock struck 3. The dog went wee! Woof, 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 woof. Hickory Dickory Dock. Oh my goodness, so many animals knocking on the door today. Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. It's 4 o'clock. I wonder who will be at the door. Knock, knock, knock. Roar! It's the lion. Are you ready? Hickory Dickory Dock, the lion climbed up the clock. The clock struck 4. The lion went roar! Hickory Dickory Dock. Oh, Mr. Lion fell. Roar! Okay. I wonder who else is coming to the door today. Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. It's 5 o'clock. Ready? Listen. Knock, knock, knock. Meow. It's Mr. Cat. Meow. Hickory Dickory Dock, the cat climbed up the clock. The clock struck 5. The cat, he died. Meow. Hickory Dickory Dock. Oh my goodness, it's 5 o'clock already. I think it's time for activities with Andja. Hi Andja.
Hi Tia.
What do you have for us today?
I'm doing some digging. Dobar dan, everybody. That's how you say hello in Serbian. That starts with our D sound. Dobar dan. I'm here in the sandpit today to do some digging. And I'm going to be digging for some treasure. I wonder what I will find. I'm gonna dig a hole. I'm gonna dig a deep hole. I'm gonna dig a deep hole. I'm gonna dig all day. I've got a dozer here that can help me with my digging. I'm going to get the dozer to help me dig a deep hole. I'm going to push the dozer. Whoa. I've also got a dump truck here to dump some sand all over my sand pit. Dump. But I think I'm going to get back to some digging because I've got some treasure around here. I've got to dig really, really deep. Let's see what I can find. Oh, dig. What's this? It starts with our D sound. It's a drum. Dum, dum, dum. Drum begins with the D sound. Oh, I wonder what else we can find. Dig deeper. Dig deeper. What is this? I see an arm. Do you see it? It's a diver. Silly diver, you should be diving in the deep, dark sea, not the sand pit. But a diver, I wonder what else I can find. I see something pink. Oh, dig deeper. It's a dish for some cakes. Dish begins with our D sound. Okay, dig deeper, Andja. What else can you find in the deep sand pit? Oh, it's a duck. Quack, quack, quack. Okay, I think we have one more thing to find. I wonder what it will be. I see something brown, dark brown. It's a dinosaur in our sand pit. What sound does a dinosaur make? I think he goes, "Rah!" Okay, and I think I found one more thing in my sand pit. Dig deeper. There it is. It's a dog. And he's very long, like a hot dog. I've got a sausage dog here. Oh, so many D objects that I found in my sand pit with some digging. So if you have a sand pit at home or at your daycare, have fun with some digging and see what D words you can find in your sand pit. I think now it's time for Craft with Carol. Let's go see what she's made for us today. Making for us today for our D sound?
Hi Andja, I'm going to make a baby dinosaur hatching, and this is what hopefully it will look like at the end. Tia, would you like to give me a hand?
I would love to, Carol.
What we'll need today is our template, which is in the resource there, or if you don't have access to a printer, draw one, cut one out of your children's colouring in book, whatever will do. We need a paper plate, we need a brass fastener or blue tack. Of course we need scissors, and because we're dealing with the children, they should be child-friendly scissors. And pens, paint, whatever you want to use to colour. So first off, what we need to do is, with our paper plate, I've drawn a line so looks like where the egg has cracked. So we need to cut that out. It doesn't have to be accurate, just so it gives the impression that the egg is cracking. Just be careful with our cutting. We don't want any injuries. And see, Tia's much faster and she's using the child-friendly scissors. So
Oh no, I cut too far.
it doesn't know, you cut them into two pieces, so it's fine. You cut them into two pieces, so we cut them into two pieces. Then of course we can decorate it. Now you can decorate it with coloured pencils, paint. You can do the speckle effect by using a toothbrush and speckling your paint onto it, but I'm just going to use some textures and make a dotty kind of egg, just because it's quick and easy. But obviously let your child's imagination run wild, and if they don't want to decorate it, they don't have to. Maybe they just want to get to the good part where the dinosaur hatches. Then of course we cut it. It's a good idea to see if you can use maybe a cereal carton and stick your template to the cardboard just to make it a little bit sturdier.
Thank you.
That's already pre-stuck for you.
Oh, wow.
And I've actually cut my little man out. So now what we need to do is turn over our egg and glue, sticky tape, whatever works for you, into the egg. So you've got his head. You've got to look to see where you want his little hands. And just for ease, I'll stick it on the top. And then we put his tail so we can see his tail. Then if you're going to use paper fastener, what you need to do is punch a hole and thread it through, but I think just for today I might just use blue tack. A little dab of blue tack. Obviously cover up your dinosaur and then have your child have the dinosaur hatch. I hope everyone has fun with that. I've also got another really, really quick D craft. 2 paper plates, bowls, one on top of the other. Tape it and just tap. And you have a drum, a very simple drum. It doesn't have to be a paper plate. It can be 2 cereal bowls that you've got at home.
That's a great idea, Carol.
That looks
This
great.
dinosaur. Roar! Oh my goodness, you scared me.
Look at those little darlings. Aren't they delightful? Goodness.
Wow.
So cute. I hope you had fun in our segment today, learning how to make the d sound at words and phrases. So, have fun, and we'll see you again in our next video. Goodbye.
Bye.